Hello and welcome to the 2023 DALI Lighting Awards, where we are very pleased to announce the results. We had some very strong entries this year over all 8 of the categories, and yeah, as you'll see, some very exciting and interesting products using DALI technology. So first of all, I would like to, I'll start by introducing myself. I'm Tim Whittaker. I'm the Marketing Communications Manager for the DALI Alliance. And these are our judges who very kindly lent their time and expertise to make sure that the judging was conducted in a very fair and rigorous manner. So we have Chiming Lin, who is from the Branston Partnership, Marcus Heller from Highlight Magazine, Mark Lean from the IES, Jess Shaw from Arup, our own Scott Wade, Technical Certification Manager from the DALI Alliance, and last but not least, Matt Waring, who's the editor of Art Magazine. The criteria used by the judges was threefold. They looked at the aesthetic appearance of the lighting design effects, particularly those achieved by DALI. They looked at the technical use of DALI and looked out for innovative early stage adoption of DALI features. And they looked in particular at the special benefits that were delivered to the project through the use of DALI. The categories are listed there, so we'll go through category by category and tell you the winners. And in some cases, some of the categories also have highly commended projects, and there is one project which earned a judge's special mention, as we'll see. The results are going to be presented by Paul Drosin, who is the General Manager of the DALI Alliance, and Jeremy Ludjan, who is the Marketing Manager of the DALI Alliance. And therefore, I'm going to hand over to Paul, who is going to take the first category.
Thanks very much, Tim, and thanks and welcome again to everybody. So let's start with architectural and entertainment category, which includes theatre and other entertainment venues, galleries, museums, exhibition spaces, sports venues, and decorative illumination. So in this category, Signify was highly commended for the Chimelong Spaceship Theme Park in Zhuhai, China. The location is the world's largest indoor theme park and the largest marine science museum, with a total floor area of around 400,000 square meters. The entire project incorporates over 10,000 sets of DALI lighting fixtures, controlled by 181 DALI controllers, leveraging DALI digital dimming technology, enabling individual control, precise dimming, and color control of all the fixtures. DALI supports customization of the scene effects for each DALI fixture through visual software control, transforming the on-site operational team's lighting ideas into reality. Also, DALI is integrated into the building management system, BMS, for centralized fixture management and monitors each fixture's operating time and health status. The judges were impressed by the scale of the project and by the use of DALI to provide a comfortable, healthy, and efficient lighting environment for visitors as well as marine animals. The winner in this category is, the winner of the architectural and entertainment category is Tridonic, or the Roxy Cinemas in Dubai, UAE. The cinema complex in Dubai Hills Mall uses around 900 DALI LED drivers for the cove lighting all around throughout the 15 cinemas and public areas, and around 1,300 DALI 2 LED drivers for the downlights, wall lights, and spotlights. The lighting is controlled within 10 units of SceneCom Evo DALI 2 lighting controllers and around 200 occupancy sensors. Commissioning was straightforward, and the effort in creating zones and groups was reduced significantly, since all DALI devices, once installed, are detected automatically by the inbuilt addressing wizard and can then be configured. Reduced installation costs were cited as key advantage of the DALI system. DALI also greatly reduced the maintenance costs, since DALI Part 251, which is luminaire data, can be used to identify the luminaires that are approaching the end of their life or that are experiencing problems. This information can be used to schedule maintenance activities and therefore cause minimal disruption to operations. Use of DALI 2 enables interoperability of devices from different manufacturers, which in turn ensures future-proof system designs and sustainable lighting. Judges noticed the extensive use of data, sensing and precise control that all contributed to the considerable energy savings and reduced operating costs. And in this category again, we have a judge's special mention. The judges also decided to award a special mention to a project which was entered in the architectural and entertainment category and also fits into the outdoor category. And that award goes to Beckhoff Automation for the sports club Very in Very, Germany. The project involved modernization of the existing floodlight system to include 200 energy efficient LED floodlights with the DALI interface. DALI allows for the presetting of various lighting scenarios, and a control room keypad facilitates the activation of bespoke special effects, as well as meticulous positioning of the LED floodlights to ensure consistent illumination of the entire playing field. Another challenge was synchronizing the lighting effects with sound reproduction. Here, flexible programming, efficient communication between substations via Ethernet, and the individualized control of each LED luminaire via DALI were all very beneficial. Planning and installation was simplified because DALI offers a robust system with readily available standard products for LED floodlights, cabling and control. The availability of DALI broadcast and DALI and group commands makes it possible to implement the special effects without any additional specialist knowledge. Judges noticed that this project implemented stadium lighting with robust and industrial grade DALI communications for fast-running music synchronized lighting effects that may otherwise have required DMX. So well done to all the winners in that category, or all of the ones mentioned in that category. Now I'm going to hand over to Jeremy for the next category.
Hello, everyone. Thanks, Paul. I'd like to thank all the everybody that submitted to the awards. I'd like to thank all the judges, and I'd like to thank Tim for all his hard work put into this. And moving right along to the health and education, this category includes medical facilities, care homes, hospitals, schools, universities, kindergartens. The judges decided that Elikon should be the highly commended for the technical nature of its project at the Istanbul Giresun University in Istanbul, Turkey. Overall, this project transformed the former office building into a fully functional university campus. The issue of cabling presented a challenge, but the use of DALI significantly reduced the amount of cabling necessarily in the field. The client saved over 20,000 meters of cables compared to the KNX or Modbus, and also enjoyed shorter test and commissioning times thanks to the digital addressing available with DALI. About 8,000 light fixtures were replaced and upgraded to be compatible with DALI technology. Over 1,100 sensors and push buttons were strategically placed throughout the university campus to enable energy efficient operations based on predefined scenarios. The 85 controllers were able to collaborate with each other through their integrated IP functionality. Elikon said that DALI was used because it was the only true lighting protocol offering the client a choice of drivers and fittings to suit the building's needs. Judges were impressed by the wide range of DALI features used and noted that DALI successfully replaced KNX as the protocol of choice for this project. And moving on to the winner. The winner of the healthcare and education technology is, drumroll, Zen Control for the Louisa Martindale building, also known as Brighton 3T's Phase 1. This state-of-the-art building provides a new clinical facilities in the Royal Sussex County Hospital and incorporates a DALI lighting system with more than 20,000 assets, including 4,300 self-contained emergency luminaires, 11,200 DALI 2 luminaires, and around 2,300 DALI 2 multi-sensors. DALI was selected as it fulfilled two essential design briefs, namely access to enhanced diagnostics and feature sustainability. DALI data enables the client to look at the current health of the building and then use that data to review space utilization and also access information on power usage. The lighting control system also includes emergency lighting and integrates with the building management system. There's also the option for the future integration of wireless DALI solutions and of new sensor types specified in the DALI Part 306. A straightforward commissioning process and out-of-the-box functionality, along with a choice of certified products by the DALI Alliance database, streamline the process of purchasing, installation, commissioning, and handover. Judges noted the lighting scheme and welcoming bright spaces with the effective splashes of color. They were also impressed by the extensive use of data and the focus on sustainability, summarizing the quote, "No other lighting product provides the security and longevity that DALI 2 and future versions of DALI can offer." Congratulations to the winner of this category.
Okay, thank you, Jeremy. So now we're on to the industrial category. In this category, projects were judged on technical and functional aspects with less emphasis on the lighting design. And I'm going to jump straight in. There's just the winner in this category, and the winner is Group Volvo Trucks for the battery pack factory in Oosterke, Ghent, Belgium. Linear tunable white luminaires from Zumtobel with a DALI control system from Helvar were installed above the production lines. Judges were very interested to hear about the R&D partnership between Zumtobel, Helvar, and Groenlicht Vlaanderen, a local lighting cluster. This group performed a study to compare the influence of LED, tunable white, and human-centric lighting luminaires on the well-being of factory workers. As a result, it was decided to use tunable white in conjunction with DALI control as the standard for all relighting projects in Volvo Trucks Global. Energy consumption data from DALI 2 drivers, specified in DALI Part 252, is transferred to an energy monitoring system supplied by Octal, providing valuable information about the lighting system. Also, in the battery pack factory area, Volvo is working to implement Helvar's software platform to have full control for emergency lighting and to monitor electrical consumption and running hours. Judges noted the even light distribution and low glare evident in the photos and were impressed by the use of data and the R&D partnership, which has allowed Group Volvo Trucks to get the maximum out of DALI in their factory setting. So congratulations to the winner there. And back to you, Jeremy.
Thank you, Paul. Next, the infrastructure category. The infrastructure category features a standout project that was universally acclaimed by the judging panel. I'm very excited to make this announcement. The winner of the infrastructure category is Delmatic for the Zayed International Airport Terminal A in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. This is a blockbuster project that appeared in the latest Mission Impossible film. The project is claimed to be the largest DALI control system in the world, with a single site-wide DALI network that manages and monitors the general lighting, self-contained emergency lighting, and central battery emergency lighting. The terminal is designed with everything functioning off a digital first grid, making DALI the natural choice for the lighting control system. The system comprises of 180,000 DALI lamps, 35,000 DALI emergency lamps, 10,000 DALI sensors and switches, all coordinated by 3,400 single and multi-universe DALI control modules. The system interfaces with the building management system, or BMS, and the emergency fire alarm and AV systems via BACnet/IP. DALI enables extensive use of daylight harvesting and occupancy-based control, and also scene setting either automatically or via user control in specialist areas. There's an innovative use of DALI in the arrival halls to illuminate either red or green LEDs on the turnstiles via an interface with the immigration control portal. The DALI network shares real-time intelligence with the BMS on occupancy, lighting levels, and operational status, as well as the lamp driver and module failure data. The system flags failures in real time, enabling rapid maintenance, and generates relamping plans for proactive replacements of luminaires. Commissioning such a large project was challenging, especially during the pandemic. Here, the modular DALI approach and distributed intelligence architectural enabled phased commissioning and addressing even before the site-wide IP network was up and running. Judges were very impressed by the sheer scale of the network and exemplary use of the broad range of DALI features, all contributing to the airport's emphasis on passenger experience, sustainability, and energy efficiency. So congratulations, Delmatic, on this award. And then back to you, Paul.
Thanks, Jeremy. Wow, that was really impressive. So onto the outdoor category. This category featured several strong entries that made use of D4I and Zaga D4I standards. And in this category, the winner is the eSave AG for the waterfront lighting project in Fürth, Germany. This small-scale project leverages DALI features, including precise dimming, color control, and scheduling to deliver optimal lighting for human eyes, enhanced safety, and insect protection. Along two canals, the lighting scheme employs two dimming profiles, one using red light and the other using warm white light. Lighting levels are dynamically adjusted based on scheduled dimming and real-time movements, ensuring energy efficiency and a responsive lighting experience. Also, the scheme has an adaptive function designed to protect insects, optimizing their habitats. Simultaneously, it ensures lighting levels are conducive to human eyes and incorporates safety measures through dynamic adjustments based on detected movements. DALI enables centralized management, monitoring, and customization of the lighting system, whilst also providing for the flexibility needed for easy reconfiguration and adaptability. The eSave control devices have Zaga connectors, ensuring easy installation, interoperability, and future-proofing. DALI D4I smart drivers provide a robust data suite for comprehensive health monitoring of the system. Judges noted the innovative use of DALI, which is effective in achieving energy efficiency, ecological sustainability, and community safety. Congratulations again to eSave. And back over to you, Jeremy.
Thank you, Paul. Moving on to residential. The winner of the residential category is More Lights for the Kō'ula Residential Tower in Honolulu, Hawaii. This 41-story residential tower includes DALI lighting in the interior and exterior common areas. There are over 2,000 DALI devices across more than 400 zones of control, and daylight and occupancy sensors are used throughout. The tower has lots of small spaces, such as bathrooms, locker rooms, bars, lobbies, that all have different lighting needs and can be addressed as separate zones by the DALI system. This provides as many zones as the designers required. The project features widespread use of scenes that can be triggered automatically or by keypads. The lighting becomes warmer and more intermittent as the sun fades. On the pool deck, the light levels remain safe without disturbing residents or using excess energy. The use of DALI drastically reduces the number of wires that need to be installed and avoid the need for extra dimmers and other components. Judges did note that DALI provided the flexibility to change the lighting configuration when the location of various art pieces were changed towards the end of the project. This was achieved without the time and expense of electrical work or additional wiring. Congratulations, More Lights. And back to you, Paul.
Thanks very much. Okay, now we're looking at the retail and hospitality category. This was hotly contested with many excellent projects. You see those down on your screen right now. And in this category, there's a highly commended, which was More Lights, for Le Select in Chicago, Illinois, USA. The DALI lighting scheme controls more than 500 luminaires and nearly 1,000 linear feet of LED tape, and meets the desire for smooth, flicker-free, low-level dimming, as well as white color tuning. Central feature is the faux skylight fashioned from painted, pressed form plastic panels backlit by tunable white LEDs. There are multiple zones of control, and the flexibility afforded by DALI enables a myriad of scenes to play out, with staff given the ability to, sorry, I lost my place. With staff given the ability to manually select from preset scenes for different times of day and night. As well as the quality of the lighting design, judges noted the assertion that DALI greatly simplified what would otherwise be a complex control solution, reducing the amount of wiring and the number of controllers. So well done to More Lights. The winner in this category is Blue Bottle for the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Melbourne, Australia. An intelligent DALI lighting system comprising approximately 365 DALI universes and 18,000 DALI luminaires deployed throughout the entire hotel, from guest rooms to public realm areas, including corridors and wellness areas. In guest rooms, DALI controls more than 9,500 fixtures across the hotel. Diagnostic data from the DALI system enables proactive maintenance and ensures that no guest ever calls to report a faulty fixture. DALI alerts are received immediately by the hotel engineering, and faults can be rectified in minutes. An intuitive dashboard allows staff to pair the new fixture, which will then receive all scene and group information and work immediately. DALI offers the ability to tune each fixture perfectly for artwork or decor within each room, providing flexibility and ambient settings that was highly valued by the Ritz-Carlton. Lighting is part of the guest room management guest room management system, GRMS, that can intelligently close blinds, turn off lighting, and adjust the AC when a guest leaves the room. On return, the system simply resumes the set guest preferences, further reducing the hotel's energy footprint. Judges were impressed with the integrated use of a wide range of DALI features to create a sophisticated environment for guests, whilst also emphasizing the ease of use and flexibility as part of a holistic system for the entire hotel. So congratulations again to Ritz-Carlton Hotel, Melbourne, Australia. And over to you, Jeremy.
Thank you, Paul. Finally, we turn to the workspaces category. The judges found it difficult to choose between several very high quality projects in this category. So we actually have two highly commended projects we'd like to highlight, and then I'll go over the winner. But the first highly commended was for Tridonic for the Met Building in London, UK. This 12-story Met Building uses biophilic design principles, providing ample access to natural daylighting and a lighting scheme that complements occupants' circadian rhythms. The client required a DALI control and monitoring system that was scalable, user-friendly, and flexible. The DALI 2 system controls a total of 5,700 DALI addresses for lighting and emergency lighting, including tunable white luminaires, as well as a wide range of sensors. Using a Tridonic DALI 2 controller greatly simplified the integration of any DALI 2 compliant products into the control system. The DALI 2 system enables extensive data collection and turns luminaires into smart devices that can communicate their health and maintenance needs to better support facilities management and predictive maintenance. Congratulations, Tridonic. Also highly commended in this category, we have XAL for the harness racing track in Vienna, Austria. Here, the grandstand building had been converted into a modern, flexible office space with an advanced lighting scheme. This comprises of a 170-meter track system with 276 individually addressable DALI luminaires, as well as 58 custom-made freestanding DALI 2 luminaires with wireless connectivity. Each freestanding BETO luminaire is equipped with sensors that measures light intensity, noise level, air quality, and temperature, as well as presence of people. The BETO units communicate with the building management system via Wi-Fi, allowing them to exchange data and to receive control commands. Judges were impressed by the way in which sensors and intelligence were incorporated into the stylish luminaires that are integrated with the high-level control system, and at the same time have flexible positioning. Congratulations on that highly commendation. And finally, the winner of this category, the winner in the workspace category, is Shanghai launch drive for the Estee Lauder Global Innovation R&D Center in Shanghai, China. The building covers a total area of 11,500 square meters and is designed according to LEED Platinum and WELL Platinum standards with an intelligent lighting control system throughout. After comprehensive evaluation, DALI was found to be the most cost-effective system that best meets the requirements of these standards. The research laboratory lighting fixtures use DALI D4i drivers, which not only adjust the light intensity automatically based on occupancy and daylight, but also provides Estee Lauder with the information on lamp lifespan, fault diagnostics, and energy consumption. Meanwhile, in the sensory laboratory and media center, advanced DALI DTA tunable white dynamic lighting improves the health experience of employees. The lighting system is integrated with the curtain control system, which dynamically adjusts the curtain opening and closing height based on daylight conditions. In combination with D4i dimming technology, this brings an additional 10% cost savings for lighting and air conditioning. The unified and open DALI protocol standard enables the use of international lighting brands such as Philips, Velux, and Floss, providing Estee Lauder with more choices in lighting fixtures. The judges commented on the lighting design, including the RGBW system in the lobby area, and the way in which advanced DALI technology is used to provide employees with a healthy and pleasant emotional energy. Congratulations, Shanghai, long try on that. And then I'll pass it back to you one more time, Paul.
Okay, thanks, Jeremy. I want to thank everybody for all of the entrants, not just the winners, but everybody that entered into these awards. We appreciate your hard work and efforts in preparing the entries, so we really appreciate that. I also want to thank Tim again for all his hard work and preparation in preparing all these materials and getting the judging ready so that we can do it. Thanks again to the judges, as you see there on our screens. Yeah, thank you for everybody that was involved in this and the participants on this call. Really appreciate it. More details will be available. You can see the web link on the screen there. Just go to our website and click on the awards section. You'll be able to access the video of this awards and all of the details about the winners and highly commended, etc. Last thing that I want to say is come and see us at Light and Building. We'll be in Hall 8, D80, and also look out for, after this event, look out for further details. We are hoping that it will be possible to do an in-person awards presentation, so we'll have some physical awards and hand them out to the various winners that are able to attend that event. So details will follow about that shortly. Thanks again to everybody that was involved in this, and we really appreciate all of your efforts. Thank you.